Tardigrades, also known as water bears or moss piglets, are tiny creatures that live all around the world. In this microscope recording, you can see how they walk around on their 8 stubby legs, searching their surroundings for food or others of its kind. Their transparent body makes it possible to see the brain, intestines, eggs, and more. In some of them, you can even see the green algae that they have just eaten. These animals are most known for being strangely cute and for their ability to survive extreme conditions. They can go into a survival state and keep dormant for decades, survive outer space and radiation. Water bears can be found all around the planet, and over 1,000 species have been discovered. Fossil findings suggest that they originated about 530 million years ago, and it is said that they possibly are the first animal on Earth to have developed legs.